friends, today we will see how to prepare Gobi Manchurian in a street style at home. Let's quickly get started. Add florets to hot salted water and keep it for 5 minutes and then strain it and keep it aside. Now to the florets add 2 spoons maida, 2 spoons corn flour, spoon of chili powder and little salt. So more maida might be little sticky. If you want to avoid that, add flours in 2:1 ratio. That's like 2 spoons corn flour and 1 spoon maida. So keep mixing it by adding little water at a time. So that the consistency should be as shown in the video. Now in a pan take oil required for deep fry. So once turns hot, add the florets to the oil and deep fry it until it changes the color to dark red. So it might take around 5 minutes. So once fried, so now you see that the color has been changed. Now strain the florets and keep it aside. So in another pan, take a little oil. Once heated, add finely chopped garlic. So if you like, you can add ginger as well. So stir it until it changes the color. Now add finely chopped onions and green chilies. Fry it until it turns translucent. Now add roughly chopped capsicum. This is optional, it will just enhance the flavor. So once cooked, add a little bit chili powder, tomato sauce, Szechuan sauce. This is optional, it will just increase the spice, and soya sauce, and keep stirring it. Now take 1 spoon of corn flour in a bowl and add water and mix it. Add this to the sauce mixture. This is to just add extra thickness to the gobi, and add some water. So keep stirring it until the sauce mixture turns into a thick paste. It will take around 3 minutes of time. I didn't add salt because the soya sauce will already have some salt in it, and we already added sauce to the gobi mixture initially. Now add the deep fried florets and spring onions. Keep stirring for about 5 minutes so that the florets will nicely blend with the sauce mixture. Now at the end, sprinkle some coriander leaves and just give it a mix. And that's it, your yummy gobi manchurian is ready to be served. So hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment and do subscribe. Thank you for watching.